Come get ready for Nature Day for school with me. Today we're learning about foxes, and I'm really excited because our main activity for the day is pretty much our snack. We're going to be making fox faces, so make sure you follow along to see my next video so that you can see how it turned out. Once that was all put together, I went outside and got our table set up and our picnic blanket where we do our lesson. I really liked this setup today. I switched it up a little bit, not too much, but enough to kind of shake it up and make sure we had enough space for everybody. Then I got our coloring sheet out, and then I just waited for our students to arrive.